How to get faster internet on any iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi as shown. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. Tap on the information icon on the right side of any network. On this page, scroll down and turn off low data mode. This feature helps reduce your iPhone's data usage over Wi-Fi. Now, go back and tap on Mobile Service, then go to Mobile Data Options. Here, turn on the Limit IP Address Tracking feature to hide your IP address from known trackers. Go back to the main settings page and tap on General. Here, scroll down and select Background App Refresh. Tap on it again at the top and choose Off to save data. Now, go back to the main settings page again and tap on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Analytics and Improvements. Turn off Share iPhone Analytics at the very top as shown. Following these steps, you can easily get faster internet on an iPhone.